Welcome to WordCraft English, the place where we blend the magic of movies with the power of language. This is where English learning stops being a chore and starts being an adventure. I'm so glad you're here with me today, because we're diving into a theme that's close to my heart, and I know it will resonate with you too. Rise Relentless. The art of never giving up. Have you ever watched a movie and felt a fire light up inside you? That feeling of wow, if they can do it, so can I. That's exactly what we're tapping into today. We're going to explore some of the most inspiring moments in cinema, moments where characters face impossible odds, get knocked down, but refuse to stay down. They show us what it truly means to be relentless. And as we journey through these powerful stories, we're not just going to feel inspired. We're going to learn. You'll pick up powerful English vocabulary and real-life phrases that you can start using immediately. Think about it. You'll learn the language of resilience, the words that heroes use. So, what's on the agenda for today's lesson? First, we'll see exactly how movies can be our greatest teachers, showing us the true meaning of perseverance. Then, we'll break down key English words like persevere, endure, breakthrough, and, of course, relentless. These aren't just words, they are concepts that can change your mindset, and the best part, I'll show you how to practice speaking with the same confidence and conviction as your favorite movie heroes. Imagine being able to express your own determination with that same power. By the end of our time together, you'll have more than just a list of new English words. You'll feel a renewed sense of motivation, a feeling that you are truly unstoppable in your own journey, whether it's learning English, chasing a career goal, or overcoming a personal challenge. You'll feel empowered, just like the heroes we'll be talking about. So find a comfortable spot, grab your notebook, and maybe a cup of coffee or tea. Stay with me through this entire video because every minute is packed with value. Let's get ready to rise relentless together, because here at WordCraft English, we believe that every word you learn is a building block for your strength, your success, and a brighter, more confident tomorrow. Let's begin. Our first stop is a film that has inspired millions with its story of an underdog who refused to believe he was anything less than a champion. Rocky *. The image of Rocky Balboa running up the steps of the Philadelphia Museum of Art is iconic, right? But it's not just about the physical training, it's about the mindset. Let us look at a key phrase from the movie. It's ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. Let's break this down. It ain't is a very informal, colloquial way of saying it isn't. You'll hear it a lot in conversational English and in movies. But the core message is what's powerful. How hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. This is the essence of resilience. Let's learn a fantastic word from this endure **. To endure means to suffer something painful or difficult patiently. Rocky endures grueling training sessions. He endures punches in the ring. He endures people telling him he can't win. So you can say, to learn a new language, you have to endure moments of frustration. Or she had to endure many setbacks before she finally succeeded. Try saying it with me. Endure. Another powerful word here is asterisk, perseverance, asterisk. This is a noun. It means persistence in doing something despite difficulty or delay in achieving success. Rocky's entire story is a testament to perseverance. He didn't have the most natural talent, but he had more heart and more perseverance than anyone. You could say her perseverance paid off when she was finally offered her dream job. It's a quality that we can all cultivate. Now, let's practice speaking like a hero. I want you to say this line with me, not just reading it, but feeling it. Put that rocky determination in your voice. Ready? I will keep moving forward. Again, with more power, I will keep moving forward. Doesn't that feel good? You're not just practicing pronunciation, you're practicing a mindset. This brings us to our core theme. Asterisk, 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 asterisk. Relentless is an adjective that means showing or promising no abatement of severity, intensity, or strength. It's like being a force of nature that cannot be stopped. Rocky was relentless in his pursuit of the title. He just did not stop. Think about your own English learning journey. Are there days you feel like giving up? Of course, we all have them. But being relentless means that even on those days, you do something. You watch one video, you learn one new word, you practice one sentence. That is being relentless. You could say he was relentless in his studies, and his English improved dramatically. So, from asterisk, Rocky asterisk, we take away the power of enduring hardship, the importance of perseverance, and the unstoppable force of being relentless. It's not about being the strongest or the smartest from the start. It's about having the heart to keep going. Now, let us shift gears from the boxing ring to the world of business and determination in asterisk, the pursuit of happiness. Asterisk, this film is a masterclass in never giving up, based on the true story of Chris Gardner, a man who goes from homelessness to becoming a successful stockbroker, all while caring for his young son. One of the most powerful scenes is when Chris and his son are forced to sleep in a public restroom. It's a moment of absolute rock bottom. But what does he do the next day? He gets up, puts on his suit, and goes back to his unpaid internship, determined to build a better life. This is the definition of hitting rock bottom and bouncing back. A key expression we can learn here is asterisk, asterisk, to hit rock bottom. Asterisk, asterisk, this means to reach the lowest possible point. When you've hit rock bottom, there's nowhere to go but up. For example, after losing his job and his apartment, he felt like he had hit rock bottom. But what comes after hitting rock bottom? A asterisk, asterisk, breakthrough, asterisk, asterisk. A breakthrough is a sudden, dramatic, and important discovery or development. It's that moment when all your hard work finally pays off. For Chris Gardner, his breakthrough was securing the one paid position at the firm. You could say, after months of studying, I had a breakthrough and finally understood the grammar rule. Or, the scientist's breakthrough will change the future of medicine. Breakthroughs often come after a period of intense struggle. Let's look at another powerful word from this story. Asterisk, asterisk, tenacity, asterisk, tenacity is the quality of being very determined. It's like perseverance, but with a sense of grip, of not letting go. Chris Gardner showed incredible tenacity. He made countless cold calls, solved a Rubik's Cube to impress a manager, and never let his circumstances define his work ethic. You can admire someone's tenacity. For example, it was her sheer tenacity that got her through the difficult training program, and, of course, we have the phrase that's central to our lesson, asterisk, asterisk, never give up, asterisk, asterisk. It's simple, direct, and incredibly powerful. In the movie, Chris tells his son, "Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. Not even me. You got a dream. You got to protect it." This is the core message. So let's practice this. Repeat after me and really mean it. I have a dream and I will protect it. One more time, with conviction. I have a dream and I will protect it. Feel the power in those words. This is more than just language practice. It's a personal affirmation. From asterisk, the pursuit of happiness, asterisk, we learn that even when you hit rock bottom, your tenacity can lead to a breakthrough. It teaches us to protect our dreams and to embody the spirit of never give up, no matter how dire the circumstances may seem. It's a story that proves that your current situation does not have to be your final destination. Let's travel now to the animated world, because inspiration isn't limited to live-action films. Think about the movie Asterisk, Zootopia Asterisk. Judy Hopps is a small rabbit with a big dream to become a police officer in a city where only large predator animals hold that role. Everyone, including her own parents, tells her it's impossible. A key phrase here is asterisk, asterisk, to go against the grain. Asterisk, asterisk, this idiom means to do something different from what is normal or expected. Judy Hopps definitely goes against the grain. She challenges the stereotypes and expectations of her society. You might say, she went against the grain and started her own company instead of taking a corporate job. What quality does Judy have in abundance? Asterisk, 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 asterisk. Determination is the quality of firmly deciding to do something. Even when she is assigned to be a parking attendant meter maid, her determination does unwaver. She decides to be the best meter maid ever. That's a powerful lesson. From asterisk, rocky asterisk, asterisk, the pursuit of happiness asterisk, and asterisk, Zootopia asterisk. We've seen how characters from completely different worlds all share a common, powerful trait, the art of never giving up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure in language and motivation. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep being unstoppable. See you soon.